ordering late-night tacos and wondering if you can raid your wallet instead of your bank account. Let's find out if Uber Eats takes cold, hard cash. First, open your Uber Eats app. I'm already logged in, but make sure you're signed into your account. Now, the key here is to check if the cash payment option is available in your area. Tap on the account icon, it's usually in the bottom right corner. This opens your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment. It should be near the top. Tap on it. Okay, here's where we see the payment methods linked to your account. You'll likely see credit cards, debit cards, or even Uber Cash. If you see a cash option listed here, then congratulations, your area allows cash payments. Simply select it before ordering. But if you don't see the cash option like me, unfortunately, Uber Eats doesn't offer cash payments in your region. Cash availability depends entirely on local regulations and Uber Eats policies in that specific area. Sadly, most regions are digital only. Check your app's payment settings regularly as policies can change. So, give those payment settings a look and see what options are available to you. Happy ordering.